Enter another unbreakable phone ni Honor. This is the Honor X9b 5G. Now, itong phone na ito has a better reinforced glass, so definitely pag nagalit si Mrs., this one can survive every single throw na batuhin ni Mrs. Best kung wag nyo inisin. Now, what's nice dito sa phone na ito, it has a Snapdragon 6 Gen 1, one of the first mga global roam na phone. Kasi sa China roam, halos marami naman naglabasan na 6 Gen 1, but probably this is one of the first sa global. It has a nice 108MP na camera, it has a curved screen and slim design, vegan leather ang kanyang back finish, and it's being powered by the Magic OS 7.2. Are you ready na malaglag tong phone na ito sa sahig? Tara, simulan natin. So one of the things na magugustuhan mo talaga sa phone na ito is that ang ganda ng kanyang likod. This one has a orange vegan leather finish, which normally mahanap mo sa mga premium flagship phones lang. But this time around, dinala na dito ni Honor on a below 20,000 pesos na price range. Now, ito phone na ito with a 12,256 GB of storage will be priced at more details on the description box below. One of the things that you would really appreciate dito sa phone na ito is that it's really slim and it has a curved screen, and it's not just any curved screen. This one has a reinforced glass, so kahit anong hampas mo sa mga walnut, sa mga watermelon, based on sa aking testing, ilaglag mo galing sa chest level, this one, not a single scratch. Overall, I can give this phone a 9/10 sa kanyang design dahil I really like it. Ang ganda ng kanyang design, and it feels more of a premium flagship level na phone at this price range. Now, this phone has a Snapdragon 6 Gen 1, probably one of the first one sa mga global na phones. And it was able to give me near a 500,000 points sa kanyang Antutu benchmark. Now, kung binreakdown mo siya, these are the scores na makukuha mo. You'll be getting a 600 points sa kanyang loop score dito sa OneDrive Extreme and a 99% ng kanyang stability. Ito naman mga score na makukuha mo dito sa Geekbench, kanyang CPU test. And this is the score sa kanyang GPU test. Looking nice naman dito ang benchmarking niya sa thermal throttling. For the first 10 minutes, all green. Nag-drop lang siya further nung pagdating ng mga 11 or 12 minutes down the road. It was able to throttle to 83% ng kanyang maximum performance. Now, one of the things na pinagmamalaki ni Honor dito, it has a big battery size dito at 5,800 mAh at a slim design like this. And it can fast charge up to 35 watts na Honor Supercharge sa fast charging. So charging your phone from 0 to 100, it takes you roughly a little bit above 1 hour to complete the full charging cycle. And one of the things na magugustuhan mo rin dito sa kanya is that sobrang kunat ng kanyang battery. Alam naman natin, no, si Snapdragon 6 series, it is really battery efficient. And this phone can last you up to 3 days without charging on a normal usage basis. Na kung gusto naman ng benchmarking, this one can give you a 19-hour na screen on time based dito sa PC Mark na battery stress test. This one was tested under 50% brightness and 60 Hz screen refresh rate. Now, ang kanyang screen is a 6.78 na AMOLED display having a 120 Hz of screen refresh rate. It also has a maximum brightness na 1,200 nits. So, reading under the direct sunlight is no problem at all. And one of the good things na may enjoy mo dito is that pag curved screen siya, you have a infinity display. So, this one, when you're scrolling sa Reels, mapapansin mo halos parang bezel-less na nga ng display dito sa gilid. So, definitely you'll be enjoying a bigger, wider screen when you're watching your favorite reels, your shorts, or just simply scrolling on Facebook. And kung mahilig ka naman manood ng videos dito sa phone na ito, I assure you that you'll really enjoy it dahil ang tingkad ng kanyang display, the colors are rich and punchy, and I really like yung richness ng kanyang black color dito sa phone na ito. Now, the phone na ito is being powered by Magic OS 7.2 and it's running inside Android version 13. Now, ang kanyang RAM na may physical na 12 gigs of RAM can expand plus 8 gigs of RAM, giving you 20 gigs of RAM overall. And one of the good things dito sa Magic OS is that smooth na smooth siya, not really much ang kanyang bloatwares. Just a couple of bloatwares, but you can take it out on your own. But overall, I can say it's pretty much a clean OS. Now, one of the things na mapapansin mo dito on its downside, nung tinakpan ko to, so parang walang sound dito sa ibabaw. I did try to check dito sa sound sa ibabaw. There's only just one loud firing speaker dito sa ilalim. Quickly, i-check lang natin kanyang sounds. Now, I would say na kanyang sound is not the loudest dito sa kanyang category. It's just average overall. Now, tinry din naman natin itong phone na ito on gaming. I did play 2 games dito, Fahrenheit 84 and Call of Duty Mobile. These are the graphical settings na pwede mo i-set dito sa kanya. And the gameplay was quite smooth naman. And I really enjoyed nung nilalaro ko si Fahrenheit 84 dahil sa kanyang curved screen. It gives you kinda of a feel na infinity display. But ang pansin ko, nung sinagad ko ang kanyang graphical settings dito sa phone na ito, medyo umiinit ang phone na ito. Not to the point na sobrang init. This one reached around mga 45 degrees Celsius. Pero mabilis naman mawala ang kanyang init dito sa phone na ito. The gameplay was good, was fast-paced naman. Playing mga battle royals dito is definitely good. Kahit magpakpakan kayo, kahit 10 kayo na sa battlefield, walang problema. But you'll be feeling a slight lag dito sa phone na ito, especially when you set it to the maximum graphical settings na kaya dito sa phone na ito. Napag-usapan naman natin kanyang camera. Itong phone na ito has triple camera lens. It has a 108MP na main camera sensor with PDAF. It also has a 5MP na ultra-wide lens and 2MP na macro lens. This one can let you shoot up to 4K and 30. And kanyang front-facing camera is a 16MP na front-facing camera which can let you shoot up to 1080p and 30fps. Now, simulan muna natin with some outdoor shot. And one of my favorite shot is this one, yung kanyang bato na ito. And I would say na pag hindi mo pa zoom, kita mo na yung mga details niya. No? But if you zoom it in further, makita mo more details from this one. I just feel na medyo a little bit saturated yung kanyang color dito sa photo na ito. Now, I was able to take some Christmas flower shot dito, and honestly, it looks really nice. Medyo punchy ang color ng kanyang color red. And taking some outdoor shot like this one looks really nice and refreshing. Now, playing with the ultra-wide lens, this is how it looks like pag kumuha ka ng building shot. And this is a normal zoom shot. And if you further enhance it to a 3x zoom, this is how it looks like. Kita natin, no? Still very nice ang preserve ng mga details. Now, you would notice na yung difference between kanyang ultra-wide shot and ng kanyang normal shot, no? Yung color difference niya is quite different. Medyo mas darker and a little bit more of the yellow tint dito sa normal lens, and medyo mas maputi ang ultra-wide lens niya. Now, taking in more building shot, this is how it looks like. And some flower shot like this one looks pretty decent. Okay naman kanyang bokeh effect. Now, playing again with the ultra-wide lens, this is how it looks like. Then, this is a normal shot. And this is a 3x zoom shot. Kita natin, pag zoomin natin, kita natin si Super Mario. Now, playing with the camera indoors, this is some of the food shots na nakuha natin. And it looks kind of good. And pretty yummy naman mga foods na nakuha natin dito sa Bread Talk. And I took a little bit more extra mga food shot dito using this camera. Pansin ko, pag medyo yellow ang kanyang lighting, nagiging yellowish din ang mga food. But if kung medyo mas white konti ang lighting, medyo makita mo mas okay ang kanyang color reproduction. And some of these food shots looks really nice and yummy. So this is one of my lunch. Itong 12-inch tower na onion rings. It really tastes good. Pag kumuha ka naman mga low light shot like this one, I would say na nagpe-perform ang kanyang camera. So checking the front-facing camera ng Honor X9b. Now, on outdoor condition, I would say the camera is performing. Makita natin sa aking mukha, mga details, mga imperfection na aking mukha. Kitang-kita, no, on several of these pictures na nakuha natin on outdoors. Now, pagdating naman sa indoors, there are some tendency na medyo nagiging grainy siya a bit. Medyo nagiging soft na ng mga photos due to medyo nag-underperform siya on some of the low light conditions. Now, using the front-facing camera to take this vlog, this is a 1080p and 30fps na video. I would say, medyo a little bit shaky siya. Hindi siya masyado stable, no? Medyo nakakahilo when you're walking. Now, equally shaky din ang kanyang rear camera taking a 4K and 30fps na video. This is how it looks like when you're walking and taking a vlog, like travel vlogs. You might need a gimbal for this one. Now guys, ano masasabi ko dito sa Honor X9b 5G? This phone is definitely a stunner dahil sa sobrang tibay niya. It also has a IP53 rating, so meaning may dust and water resistant siya up to a certain level. And the best feature dito sa phone na ito is that this phone is certified Wi-Fi proof. Except kung ilaglag niya galing sa 10th floor. So if you're interested dito sa phone na ito, I'll be posting it on the description box below kung saan siya pwede mabili. And if you like this video, don't forget to give me a like and a subscription to this channel would definitely be honorable. I'll see you in the next one. And so, ako pala si Richmond and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. What's up? Like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. For one of my latest uploads, click the dito. And for one of my popular uploads, click here.